Get ready to chat smarter. Meta, the company behind platforms you already know and love, is introducing a brand new way to interact with AI, right within your chats. Meet Meta AI in Chat, your new intelligent companion that's designed to help you with all sorts of things, making your conversations more fun, informative, and productive. Imagine having a super knowledgeable friend instantly available in your favorite messaging apps. That's essentially what Meta AI in Chat aims to be. It's not a separate app you need to download, it's integrated directly into the chat interfaces you already use every day, making it incredibly convenient. So, how does it work? It's simple. Within a chat with your friends or in a group, you can easily bring Meta AI into the conversation. Just like tagging a friend, you can invoke Meta AI with a special command or by selecting it from a menu. Once it's there, you can ask it questions, request information, get creative help, and much more, all without ever leaving your chat. Examples could include asking a question, user types, at Meta AI what's the weather like today, and Meta AI responds with the local forecast. Requesting information, user types, at Meta AI tell us a fun fact about Vienna, and Meta AI provides an interesting tidbit. Getting creative help, user types, at Meta AI write a short poem about friendship, and Meta AI generates a brief verse. Asking for recommendations, user types, at Meta AI suggest a good Italian restaurant nearby, and Meta AI provides local options. Think of the possibilities. Need a quick answer to a burning question while chatting with friends? Want to brainstorm ideas for a weekend trip? Looking for a recipe for dinner? Meta AI in Chat can help you right then and there, making your conversations more dynamic and useful. Here are some of the cool things Meta AI in Chat can do. Answer your questions. Get quick facts, definitions, and information on a wide range of topics. Provide real-time updates. Ask for weather forecasts, news summaries, and more. Get creative. Request poems, short stories, jokes, and even help with brainstorming ideas. Translate languages. Seamlessly translate text within your conversations. Summarize information. Ask it to condense long articles or chat threads. Generate ideas and suggestions. Get recommendations for movies, music, restaurants, and more. Help with planning. Brainstorm travel itineraries or event ideas with your friends, guided by AI. Meta AI in Chat is designed to be a helpful and friendly presence in your conversations. It's learning and improving all the time, so expect even more exciting features to be added in the future. Meta is committed to building AI responsibly and with your privacy in mind. Your interactions with Meta AI in Chat will be handled with care, and you'll have control over when and how you use it. So, get ready to experience a new level of smart and convenient communication. Meta AI in Chat is rolling out. Mention rollout timeframe if known, e.g., soon, in the coming weeks, starting today in select regions, and we can't wait for you to try it out and see how it can enhance your everyday chats. Keep an eye out for Meta AI in your chats. Your new smart friend is just a tag away.